Where are they? Oh, they're over here by me. Oh, no, they're coming towards you, maybe? Oh, they're both in that house. One's upstairs with a lantern, and the other one has frags, and he's downstairs, I think. Alright? Don't get killed or nothing. I have frags, and I'm coming in now. Don't push him, and I'll just boom shot him.